Hello YouTubers, Manny here from Manny's How To Workshop, and welcome to my channel. This is going to be a mini series. I'm doing a bathroom remodel, and basically what the customer wants is for me to convert this tub and shower to just shower. So basically I'm going to be removing this tub right there and installing a shower pan. That's, it's pre-made. It's like, because the size of this is like 60 or 5 feet, 60 inches or 5 feet by 30. So you can buy the pans, like I said, pre-made, and you can get it like right drain or left drain. This one happens to be right drain. So basically this is what I've done so far. And really, camera, you're not going to focus? There we go. Alright, so basically I went ahead and removed the existing toilet that was right there and the vanity that was right there. I've also removed the baseboard all the way around. I had 3/4 round with the old style baseboard on all 3 sides there and behind this door also. And I've also went ahead and installed a bathroom exhaust fan, which is right up there. And that was probably the worst part because the attic during the day gets so hot. I tried to do it yesterday, first thing in the morning, but I didn't get it done until like lunchtime. And I'll bring you around here to the control, which is a 2-switch right there. And the first switch is actually for the existing light that's up there. That's going to get switched out also. The second switch runs the fan, and it's a light system. So like I said, as you can see, whoever did the work here before on the walls didn't do a great job. That's a pet peeve right there, where they don't finish the back. See how it's discolored? The paint on 2 sides, there, where the mirror used to be. That's just pure laziness, But, and I'm also doing the tile. I'm ripping this tile up. They picked out a tile they want. And speaking of tile, I need to go ahead and remove this row right here of tile all the way around the tub in order to get that tub out of there. So this is going to be part 1 of this mini series, and I'll go ahead and film as I'm going along in different stages. Alright, I'll get you guys on the next one. So thanks for tuning in. Please rate, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. And I will see you guys on the next one. Alright, bye.